Good morning. Let us learn the 9 most important kitchen verbs you use every single day. The kitchen is where we use English every single day. Today, I will teach you all of it. Verb number 1, boil. I boil water every morning. Boil means to heat liquid until you see bubbles. I boil water for my tea. I boil eggs for breakfast. We boil liquids, not solids. Verb 2, chop. I chop vegetables every day before I cook them. Now say it with me. Chop the onions. Chop the carrots. Chop the garlic. Verb 3, fry. I fry eggs every single morning. Fry means to cook in oil or butter. Do no say, I cooked the eggs in oil. That is not the right word. Say, I fried the eggs. Fried, much better. You are doing amazing. 6 more verbs are coming. Stay with me and your kitchen English will be completely perfect today. Verb 4, stir. I stir the soup slowly and gently. Always stir so nothing sticks. Verb 5, pour. I pour hot water carefully. Pour means to move liquid slowly. Verb 6, add. I add salt. I add pepper. Add means to put something into what you are already cooking. Verb 7, peel. Before I cook potatoes, I peel them. Peel means to remove the outside skin. Verb 8, taste. I always taste before I serve. Always taste to check the flavor. Verb 9, serve. I serve the soup in bowls. Serve means to give food to someone. Quick, can you name these? Knife, wooden spoon, pan, pot, bowl. Say each one before I do. Ready? Go. Important phrase. When your food is ready, walk to the door and say, dinner is ready. Come and eat. We are running out of milk. Running out means almost finished. I need to go to the store. Phrase 3 is my favorite. Let me show you how. We say this when we are teaching. Let me show you how to fry an egg. Boil, chop, fry, stir, pour. Say them fast with me. Boil, chop, fry, stir, pour. And 4 more. ADD. Peel, taste, serve. Say them with me. ADD. Peel, taste, serve. All 9. You did it. Now say this whole sentence. Every morning I boil water, chop vegetables, fry eggs, stir the soup, and serve breakfast. One important thing before you go. Do not say I cooked the water. Say I boiled it. Do not say I cut. Quick quiz. What do we do with this egg? Do we boil it or do we fry it? Both. We can boil eggs and fry eggs. Good job. Your homework today. Go to your kitchen right now. Touch the knife and say knife. Touch the pan and say pan. Say the verbs as you cook today. I am serious. Do it today. Today you learn 9 cooking verbs, 5 kitchen tools, and 3 phrases. That is 17 new things in English. I am so proud of you. Tomorrow, I will teach you all the English words you need when you clean your house. Sweep, mop, wipe, and more. House cleaning English tomorrow. And do not forget, every morning I post a quick 60-second English tip for you. Check my shorts for today's tip on the difference between. Every 2 days I post a complete English lesson for you. Kitchen, shopping, doctor, bus, bank, all of real life in English. This is my promise to you. Subscribe to Nana English Daily right now. A brand new English lesson every 2 days. Click subscribe. Click the bell. I will see you tomorrow.